Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. In the last video we have read that now the picture is over and friends are meeting and Hughie Eskin donates some money to that beggar so that life of that old man should get some easy. Now during this time when Hughie Eskin was donating or helping that beggar, Alan Treble was not there. Now what next happened? We just read. Then Trevor arrived and Hughie took his leave. Hughie did his good job and after some formal talk, Hughie said bye-bye to Alan Trevor and walked on his road. Blushing a little at what he had done. Means today Hughie is feeling some proud. Hughie is feeling some good on his work which he has done, donate some money to that beggar. He spent the day with Laura and got a charming scolding for his extravagance and had to walk home because he had no money now because all his money he just donate. So that night he had to go his home on walk. He had no money to hire any auto. He spent the day with Laura, means in the next day he met his beloved and his beloved Laura scolded him that you don't have money, then how can you donate, and you are suffering now. You will have to go on work. So it's lovely scolding got Hughie. That night he strolled into the Palette Club about 11 o'clock, and as usual on night Hughie went to his club named by Palette Club at last late night 11 o'clock and found Trevor sitting by himself in the smoking room drinking hock and seltzer. And in that Palette Club, he found his friend sitting just next to him in a smoking room and drinking some wine. Then conversation started between friends. Well, Alan, did you get the picture finished all right? Hughie asked about that painting or the picture which Alan was drawing. So Hughie asked that is that picture is over? He said, and as he lit his cigarette, means he just started his cigarette and asked about the picture which Alan was sketching. Finished and framed, my boy. Alan replied, yes, that was complete now, and it framed also, my boy, means my friend, answered Trevor. And by the by, you have made a conquest, means now at the discussion of that picture, Alan Trevor remembered that old beggar, that old person, and saying that, Hughie, you won the heart of that beggar, what you did with him. That old model you saw in quite devoted to you, means in his talks I have noticed that he was impressive on you, that what you have did with him. He was interesting in you, he wanted to take all your information. So that old model you saw is quite devoted to you. I had to tell him about you, who are you, where you live, what your income is, what prospects you have. Means the beggar, means after your departure, beggar asked everything about you and I had to tell them everything. Every information about you, about your home, about your life, what you have did with him. My dear Ellen, now when Hughie came to know that Alan told everything about him to that old beggar, Hughie got shocked. My dear Ellen, now what Hughie can do? Just shouting. So, my dear Ellen, cried Hughie, I shall probably find him waiting for me when I go home. Means I thought that he will be waiting for me because he was in so wretched condition, in so piteous condition that he need more help than I do. But of course, you are only joking. Means Hughie is reacting as he don't want to trust on Ellen talking. So, but of course you are only joking. Means what are you talking about? That old beggar can be impressive on me. It's just joking. I don't think so. You are only joking. Poor old wretched means that poor person, the poor beggar, how he will be helped. I wish I could do something for you. Means he cannot help me. In fact, it's my duty that I should provide some help. I should do some help to him. Poor old wretched, I wish I could do something for him. I think it's dreadful that anyone should be so miserable. Means Hughie is remembering that old man's condition and saying that his condition is so miserable that I have never seen so miserable condition before meeting with him. I think it's dreadful that anyone means it's really a dreadful condition means anyone can be so miserable condition. I have got heaps of old clothes at home. Means when I went home, I collected some old clothes for him. And do you think he would care of any one of them? And asking that, you think that old clothes would help that old beggar? His rags were falling too great. Means his clothes were too so tired that I think my old clothes will help him. So next video we will read that we will come to that who was the real person in the form of that beggar, who was the model or real beggar. So we will have interesting para in next video. Thank you.